You are not going to believe it, but I just discovered an option that is going to give you $2.94 just like that, which you can multiply, and it seems to me an excellent option if you want free money. In fact, I was testing it yesterday, and it does work. Besides, it is a fairly simple and easy method to start, and that you can start withdrawing from $5.87, so basically the first day or even the first 10 minutes, you could already be withdrawing without any problem. That is not a miraculous method, and it has its cons, but I recommend that you watch the video until the end so that you see all the information and do not miss a single detail of what this page is about. And all the information about it, the page is this. Remember, they have the links in the description and in the pinned comment of, in fact, it has its own version for Android. I'll tell you the name right away, but I recommend that you watch the video until the end because it's not as simple as it seems. Plus, there are some pretty important points that I should mention before you start earning money with this method, and well, as you can see, they give you 50 quick withdrawals, verification in 5 minutes and without rollover, and also the registration is quite simple. All you have to do is click here to register. In fact, you have several options to generate. In addition to that, it is endorsed by the Secretary of the Government, Responsible Gaming, and other certifications that make it a fairly safe option to generate paritas to register with an email account, a password, confirm the password, first name, last name, confirm your last name, year, month, day of birth, your telephone number, we accept. Terms and conditions. Now there is something I have to mention, and that is that this page is only available in USA because it is going to ask for verification from USA, but for people who are from USA, the truth is that it seems to me an excellent option. And well, now I would just touch login. As you see here, we are at 0, but in fact I want to show you how easy it is for us to register with this page and get our $2.94 for it. We click here and get my money, and now as you can see is the verification process. This can take up to 5 minutes, which is basically taking a selfie, sending the official identification and a proof of address, but for that reason I am telling you that it is only for USA, and well, after a few minutes, we will already be accepted in order to obtain our bonus of $2.94. Now these $2.94, and if you are not going to be able to withdraw them from the beginning, although it is not a lie or anything. In fact, you only have to reach $2.94 to be able to withdraw, and you can do it right here. Now it is an excellent option because, well, basically you don't have to do or invest anything. Although of course if you want to do it, go ahead, although I wouldn't recommend it for various reasons. But as I have, if you want to do it, it's completely your decision. And that's it. Now our account has already been verified, basically while I was talking, and as you can see here is my balance, $2.94, which is an excellent option. Now here, if we hit this, we will have different options with which we will be able to win or lose depending on what we do. Live contests, we have others here. We are going to hit it on this one. We're going to wait for it to finish loading. Pragmatic play. Okay, let's see, it's very volatile. Here is our bet, 0.88, and we have 50 credit. Let's hit it. There's nothing. Let's continue. Okay, we still don't win, but we don't get discouraged. Okay, here we already had a profit. Let's continue. Let's see how it goes. 9038, multiply it by 4, but let's try another option. Let's click here. Let's click here on Ega Wheels. Let's see what this is about. And well, yes, it is a live game as such. Let's see what other options we have. We actually have a lot of dice and another bingo. Oops, this is getting quite interesting. Well, if it's the one, I think, yes, basically we bet. Here it is. Let's hit it in the next round. Here it's loading. Okay, here's our payout. Let's go to the next round. The truth is that it's quite easy to play. People who look coops, this is quite risky. 12 cent and he lost. Let's go with the next one. And the truth is that I tell you it's quite simple. Let's give him that he is here. We can withdraw and go for the safe, and that's it. And as you can see, we get to multiply. Now we can bet a little more. We're going to go for a big one. Noobs, look at this guy. There he is, 9 on ice, took it out. Let's go with a bigger one. Okay, there it goes up. As you see, here go our earnings. Music, we would have both withdrawn. That's what happens. But simply, I want to give you an example that it is a very interesting way to play. We bet 5. Let's see how it goes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We fold and take it. Here is 10 with 90. It was more interesting. Super risk. Oops, here there are 6 bets, like it tends to repeat a pattern for 10. Nice. There it is. Zoops. This went up to 15. We are going to try again. And I tell you the truth is that it is a fairly simple way to play. In fact, we are practically going to recover what we were losing on previous occasions. Let's see how it goes. There it is. And as you can see, ready, we are already at 52 with 88. Now you can continue betting and continue playing. And it implies a lot of risk. Here are our profits. But the truth is that it is a way quite simple in which you can get to hang out. In addition to what I tell you, you are not betting your money, as is why, because you have the option noops. Here we lost. Let's go again. But as I told you here, well, basically you are playing with the money that they gave you a gift, so that's a lot of problem. The truth is that I don't see it, and well, there's simply a lot of options. This one seems more fun to me because I entertain myself for a while giving it here. Here it is. Today we are going 54, and we were quite close to not achieving it, but well, let's go with the last round before the end of the video. Let's see how the bet is going. Here it's going up. Oops, this was quite short, but well, as I was saying, that's the last one I was going to play, and in the end, we practically ended up with almost the same. Depends a lot on what kind of game you want to play and how you want to start playing. But the truth is that it seems to me a very good opportunity to start playing, and well, practically anyone will be able to withdraw. Besides what I told you, I already did it yesterday trying, and well, practically the withdrawal came to me in a matter of a minute. So yes, it is an option that does pay, and the truth is that you can also use it. Remember, you have the link in the description and in the fixed comment. As long as you are from USA, it is a very good opportunity to start earning. Until next time, music.